So 2 weeks
Yes.
after lumbar decompression and stabilization, and you had, which leg was hurting before? And have you got any pain now in the leg?
Nothing at all.
No, nothing at all.
Absolutely nothing.
And you've been walking. How long have you been walking?
After about 3 or 4 days, I took short walks and I've just built it up and built it up.
Yeah.
Just actually walked from the station. I'm not sure if that's too far, but I just took a slow walk.
Yeah. And can I just see you have a walk?
Yeah, sure.
Good. Fantastic. Well, perfect.
It's
And the
so
other way?
much easier to hold my shoulders back.
I've noticed. How about your posture? Have you?
Well, I can pull in tummy muscles and hold shoulder, which I couldn't before because I was bent over.
Of course, yeah.
But yeah, I can pull muscles in and hold shoulders.
And how about sort of standing on one leg and the other one? And how about your flexibility?
Yeah, fine.
This is good, yeah. This is only 2 weeks after that operation.
Yeah,
and you went home as a day case?
Yeah, we are so pleased.
Yeah.
In fact, I've just recommended somebody who is so struggling. And I hope that he will contact you.
Yeah, no, you've done remarkably well. It's great.
I felt better straight away.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay.